Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 13F and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with opening the Play Store, and first of all make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account currently added to the device. If not, you will have to do it right now. If you're not sure how to do it, no worries, we've got the tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific model, so you can check it and then come back to this video, or you can do it on your own. It's up to you. Let me quickly enter the password. So I do not remember whether I've told you about the internet connection, probably yes, but I highly recommend to use a Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. So now in the Play Store, all we have to do is to tap on the circle in the right upper corner and then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Then let's tap on Manage. And here we have to tap on updates available. So basically those are apps which are currently installed on our device and can be updated. So all you have to do is to find those which you'd like to update. Of course, if you want to, you can update all of them. Mark them. So I'll choose maybe Google Chrome and Gmail, and then tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.